Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia, and in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. So first I'm going to tell you it came DHL, you guys, and this is KLAIYI hair. This is my first time buying KLAIYI hair, you guys. The box does look different from what everybody else normally has, and inside the box, you guys, it came with this keychain thing. It's like a unicorn and a little bell, and it has KLAIYI on it. Also came a headband, like with a braid on it, a braided headband, and it also came with a stocking cap, a tan stocking cap. So next, you guys, is the hair. It does have some brown in here, you guys, and I really don't like dark hair on me. It still looks like it's too dark, so I am probably gonna lighten it a little bit. But I hope it does good, you guys. And it is a lace front. You guys, it's 24 inches long, and it is Jerry curly, and it's also a lace front wig. So I'm just going to take this styrofoam and the netting off. I can see the hair. What in the world? You guys, they have it like this. I can't even get it off to put it off. Never seen that before. Y'all, this is really curly. It's long. So far, it's really, really soft. Let's see. There's a little bit of shading already, you guys. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to lighten this. It's like dark. I see the brown, but it's still too dark. And you guys remember, this is Jerry curly. It's shedding, y'all. Hopefully when I wash it, it'll stop shedding. So this is really curly. I can't wait to wet it and see what it looks like. And then again, this is 180 density, you guys, so it is a little bit thicker if you were going to get 150% density. So again, it is a lace front. It has two combs right here. It has two combs in the front. Then it also has one comb in the back. And then it has the drawstrings on it. And then you can see it where the tracks are sewn on the inside. And then you have your lace front with the baby hairs. You guys, I don't like putting combs in my head at all, so those will not be used. I don't really like baby hairs either, so those won't be used. Let's see. The hair is really, really soft, you guys. The hair, it came really, really fast, like 3 days, which I was happy about. Y'all, this is really thick, but it's shedding. Definitely shedding, but it's really thick. So I'm hoping after I wash it, the shedding stops. I'm hoping. It's like once I start to brush it out, I'm seeing the brown. I'm not sure. In the light, I can see the brown, but you guys, I really do not like dark hair on me at all. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I'm gonna try it dark first and see if I like it. If I do, that's how we wear it. But I probably will lighten it, probably till it's like a little lighter brown. I'm not really sure how the hair takes to lightening, or any developer or bleach. Probably won't put bleach on it at all. y'all. It's shedding. But you guys, that was just my quick video of my unboxing of KLAIYI hair, you guys. I will be back with the hair installed on my next video. So you guys stay tuned for that, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and be part of my new growing YouTube family. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video, you guys. I'll see you later. I'm out. Bye.